Happy Friday! It is Friday. We've made it through week 2. You guys are doing fantastic. Make sure that you get your assignments finished for the week and either text or email Miss Scott or myself your finished assignments. And those need to be texted or emailed by Monday so we can get those graded. So let's do a review today of what we've done this week. And you will have a test, but it's not really a test. It's just exactly what my class has been doing as tests all year. So characters and setting. We talked about that Monday and Tuesday. People or animals in the story are your characters. When and where the story takes place is the setting. Okay, and then we've been talking about theme, the underlying message or big idea of the story. So your reading pages for today, I didn't mean to turn that back to me. Your reading pages for today look like this. A new look at King. So you have a full page story to read. And then you have 8 questions on the back to answer. Okay. Go back in the story. Look for your answers. That's what the story is there. Okay. And then you have 2 maps, and you're going to use those maps to answer your 3 questions on that page. Okay. And then you have a page like you've had all week. All Aboard is the name of the story. It says, think about what Charlie says and does in the story. And you're going to answer questions 1 through 3. And I want you to do the strategy practice. The one question that I want to look at is number 1. Name 2 adjectives that describe Charlie. So remember, adjectives are words that describe a noun. Charlie is a noun. Okay. And then you have a page like this that is going over your vocabulary words. And then the last one is you have to write a sentence using the word unique in the sentence. And I will go back over those vocabulary words. The back page does look like this, and your copy will have an X through it. You do not have to do that page. We did not go over those vocabulary words. So let's look and review the 4 vocabulary words that you've written, and you have your vocabulary sheet right there in front of you, so use it if you need to. Unique, someone or something that is the only one of its kind. Candidate, someone who is applying for a job or running in an election. Numerous, many or great in number. And exact, having no mistakes. Correct. So those were your 4 vocabulary words for the week. Okay, your next assignment, I'm not sure why it went dark. There it goes. Your next assignment is a subtraction crossword. So make sure you pay attention to if you're going across or down. And these are written side by side. I always suggest that you rewrite them one on top of the other. That makes it a whole lot easier to solve. I cannot solve a 3-digit subtraction problem like this. I have to rewrite the problem one on top of the other so that I can make sure I line them up and do them correctly. The back side of that paper is blank, so that would be a great place to rewrite it. You need to have your spelling sentences finished. So if those are not finished, finish those today. And you need to have your map filled out. Should have already been filled out probably. And we're studying those 10 states and capitals. Go back and study the 10 states and capitals we did last week. Okay, so now we're up to 20. We have 30 more to go. Your last page for today is your science paper. It looks like this. It says draw yourself sending a message over a long distance, and then answer the questions. Draw yourself sending a message over a long distance. And then you're going to answer the 2 questions. So you're thinking about everything you've learned this week in science about messages, and that will help you. Okay, so have a wonderful weekend, and hopefully you will get to do something enjoyable. And I know we're having to do this social distancing, but I still hope that you get some time to do something enjoyable, even if it's go outside and ride your bike or play or something. So anyway, have a great weekend, and I will see you all Monday.